Welcome, fellow ocean enthusiasts, to a world of color, diversity, and wonder. Today, we dive into the heart of the ocean to explore the mesmerizing realm of coral reefs. Join me on this journey as we unveil the secrets of these underwater cities. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are bustling metropolises beneath the waves. They come in a kaleidoscope of colors and harbor an extraordinary array of life. But what makes these underwater ecosystems so unique? At the heart of every coral reef are tiny architects known as polyps. These minuscule organisms work tirelessly, secreting calcium carbonate to build intricate structures that form the foundation of the reef. It's a slow dance that creates stunning underwater landscapes. Covering less than 1% of the ocean floor, coral reefs are home to over 25% of all marine species. From the vibrant parrotfish to the elusive seahorse, these reefs support a staggering diversity of life. Let's take a closer look at the intricate relationships that unfold beneath the waves. Unfortunately, these underwater paradises are facing unprecedented challenges. Climate change, rising sea temperatures, and human activities have led to coral bleaching, a phenomenon that weakens and stresses the corals, jeopardizing the entire ecosystem. But fear not, for there are heroes working to protect these fragile ecosystems. Marine biologists, conservationists, and local communities are joining forces to create marine protected areas, implementing sustainable practices, and actively participating in coral restoration projects. Coral reefs grow at a very slow pace. On average, a coral reef expands at a rate of 0.3 to 2 centimeters per year, depending on the species of coral. Coral reefs are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world. The most well-known reefs are located in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, including the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Coral reefs thrive through a symbiotic relationship between coral polyps and photosynthetic algae called zooxanthellae. The algae provide corals with essential nutrients, and, in return, the corals offer shelter and carbon dioxide to the algae. The vibrant colors of coral reefs come from the pigments in the tissues of the coral polyps. These colors can serve various functions, including protection from harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays. Coral reefs reproduce both sexually and asexually. Sexual reproduction involves the release of eggs and sperm into the water, while asexual reproduction occurs through budding and fragmentation. In certain locations, entire coral colonies engage in synchronized mass spawning events, where millions of coral polyps release their eggs and sperm into the water simultaneously. This spectacular event often occurs at specific times of the year. Some of the corals found in coral reefs today may be thousands of years old. The longevity of certain coral colonies makes them among the oldest living structures on Earth. Barrier reefs, like the Great Barrier Reef, act as natural barriers that protect coastlines from the impact of storm surges and large waves, providing a buffer against coastal erosion. Coral reefs play a role in carbon sequestration by absorbing and storing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping mitigate the effects of climate change. Coral reefs have distinct zones based on depth and environmental conditions. These zones include the reef crest, for reef, reef slope, and back reef, each supporting different forms of marine life. Many fish species rely on coral reefs for shelter, breeding grounds, and sources of food. Healthy coral reefs are crucial for supporting productive fisheries that sustain coastal communities. The world of coral reefs is truly remarkable, and these facts provide a glimpse into the intricate relationships, adaptations, and challenges faced by these vital marine ecosystems. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please consider subscribing and liking to help us grow our channel. Please leave any comments below and click the bell so you don't miss future videos.